Good day, everyone. Alice here from Safi Financial Network. Today is March 15, 2023. Here is daily analysis for today. S&P 500. We had pretty volatile day. This consolidation is very brutal right now. Lots of investors, traders are got caught from the short side, long side. Still, we are not above this pivotal point, which is 39.57. However, momentum is getting back to the bull side, I should say, because we had a higher low and lower high here. So it's kind of like a ranging consolidation. Market just closed negative today, but all in all, it was a good for some sectors, especially technology, which we get to that one. Um, but along with technology, we had semiconductor, which was negative today, but early session it was negative, but last hour of the trading sessions, it came back up to the positive momentum as well. So Nvidia, for example, SMH, and those ones are getting back to the green side. So all in all, when you see such a volatile day, you should just be careful and pay attention to the market. Again, volume was pretty heavy, like 154 million SPY traded today, and that tells that this is institutional level. So if we break to the upside, that's going to be an important pivot for the market to rip out to the outside. I don't think we are getting back to the very super bullish momentum right now, just because seasonality still we have another 15 days. To be honest, I'm not sure what's going to happen for the next days of the month of March, but all in all, this is an important pivot, and right now we are getting back. Some buyers are going to recommit back, so this is an important technical level for the trend followers, which is going to be a pullback. And for those ones who are just looking at the supply and demand, this is a very huge demand area. And right now you can see the buyers are recommitting back, but sellers as well. So they're just selling. And this is going to be an accumulation or distribution. We will see after this breakout. But there is nothing there, so it's kind of like ugly since October, I should say, or better say since August 2022. Market didn't go anywhere. Market just stocking in this range consolidation, very high swings, 4,300 to 3,500. So this is a big swing for the market. Market actually didn't go anywhere. Like, it's been almost 8 months now, and we will take it as is for now. So momentum wise, as I said, I don't know why momentum doesn't show up here. Okay, momentum wise, we are getting back to the bull side. So this is a sloping up, and IMI is getting back to the oversold condition, which is kind of like a nice signal for a buy. Again, I'm I'm not comfortable to buy this area, but if you're a buyer, you can play with just to put your stop loss below this pivot, and you can buy. But if you're a seller, it's going to be hard time for you, because you don't know if you want to put your sell stop here, your stop loss here, or your stop loss here. It's going to be wide range. So all in all, I'm just looking for more confirmation from the either side. I'm staying on the side. I don't do anything. I'm just nibbling in some sectors that they are getting to my level. I'm just staying on the side, and we'll see how it goes. Moving on to early chart. So this hourly chart tells you exactly this is a consolidation range. Right now we are just forming a bullish consolidation, something like this, and look at what happened after that. Failed just because momentum was up there, momentum was in a bear reversal. We are getting back to the bear reversal. So if we get another spike up to the upside here, so this line could be a severe I should say, yeah, that's going to be a resistance there. So um, this level is very important. If we break out to the upside at 39.68, that's going to be the next distribution level. And if we are getting back down, so I should say there are lots of supports down there. So market is going to go all the way down to 35 to 3600. So we'll see how it goes. Moving on to Nasdaq. So here's the Nasdaq daily chart. So here is the Nasdaq daily chart. Market had a positive day in Nasdaq just because technology was strong. Microsoft, Alphabet, which is Google, and and also Amazon just shifting momentum to the upside. MACD is giving a buy signal right now, and seems like we are getting back to the bullish momentum for the technology. So technology is gonna be booster for the market right now. If this is gonna be a W pattern here with a nice divergence, I would take that, to be honest. But I'm just looking for the weekly. So the chart is here, weekly chart. So still we are not in kind of like a bullish momentum. Some people probably argue that this is going to be a bull flag. Yeah, sure. You can take that. I don't have any problem with that, but I'm just looking for a better confirmation with a stochastic. If it gets to back to oversold condition, especially it comes to this trend line, which is coming to this daily chart. And if it comes here, that would be great buying opportunity for me to get back to the long side. Right now, I'm just staying, as I said, on the side, and we'll see how it goes. Here's the early chart. So the early chart is the same. So we are breaking out above this pivotal point, which is kind of like a bullish momentum for the market. But right now, we had previous breakout going up there, distribution level sell off. So we are getting back there to this distribution level. So we'll see how it goes. If it's going to be another rollover to the downside, or that's going to be a breakout to the upside. But closing above this pivotal point, that's going to be a bullish momentum. But right after that, we will have another area here, which bears and bulls need to pay attention to this. Moving on to the US 30, which is Dow Jones. Dow Jones had a negative day today. I should say very negative, just because crude and financials were weak. So Dow Jones is giving back again to this area. So all in all, when I see this, this means we have buyers back here, but market gives us a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So this is kind of like a wedge. If it gets there, I should say that's going to be a good area. So I'm just waiting for here to get back to the long side for Dow Jones. And that's going to be a good area, I should say, for the Dow Jones. We'll see how it goes for the market right now. Just again, starting negative. Banks actually hammered today. So we'll see how it goes. Moving on to some sectors, a yield smash today, lower low, and it's a very wide range. So it's kind of like a forming consolidation or distribution level for another leg down. This is going to be a 3% 39, so yield is coming back down sharply. So that means market or inverted yield curve is going to reverse back up to the upside, which is going to be recessionary period. So whenever this happens, make sure to look at the bond video. Whenever this happens, market start to forming the top, and within the next 6 months we will have a recession. So this means yield is coming back down, interest rate needs to go back down as well. So when interest rate is going back down, so that's going to be a recessionary period. TLT had a positive day, 1.83%. However, the candle was red, but after market TLT just back up again. So all in all, it's just consolidating here. If it consolidates more here, so that's going to be a bull sign for the market. Possibly we will get back to another spike to 120 right away. So this is going to be the level. So we'll see how it goes. But you know that I'm very bullish in TLT, and 134 to 138, that's going to be the level. Gold had a positive day. So gold at a very swing high and low today. So but it was all in all, it was overall, it's just consolidating here for another spike up to the upside. I believe this is the bottom for now for gold. Any pivot below this, that's going to be ugly, going all the way down here, but I don't think. We are just consolidating here, so more consolidations, that gives us more buying opportunity for the upside. Crude smashed today, so crude just going down pretty close to 61 to 62. I said before, if we break this one, that's going to be a blink of an eye going down to this level. So this is a pivotal point, 60 to 61 too, but ultimately 51, 53, that's going to be great. But still, I'm looking for 2023, to be honest, $100 crude. I don't know why, but my cycles are giving me a bullish signal along with natural gas as well. So VIX had an uptick today. Look at the VIX today. So VIX again going back up there. So it's kind of like a sellers are sitting on the side here, But whenever VIX up there, sellers just smashing down. All in all, it was a good day for VIX. 10% pop, finished nicely, and we'll see how it goes. If it goes down, that's going to go sharply, but I believe this consolidation gives us another buying opportunity. I don't know if it's gonna just smash this trend line to the upside or what's gonna happen. I don't know exactly. Dixie had just a flat day today. So, sorry, Dixie positive day right now, flat. So dollar index is coming back up. So when dollar is getting strength, technology is getting stronger. That is a selling signal, I should say, for technology. So right now, market is giving us lots of mixed information. I know, folks, these charts are not talking to each other. So dollar is strong, VIX is strong, Nasdaq was all kind of like giving us a higher high today. So all in all, when you see that, you should be stay on the side. This is just option play or so. I don't know, but this is a nice reversal to the backside. So if it goes above this pivotal point, that's going to pave its way for 109 again. So that's going to be a pressure on the gold, pressure on the stock market. But you saw that gold stock market was positive today. I mean, like a technology wise. So going back to the technology, here's Apple. Apple nicely consolidating here at the positive day, 40 cents. Apple's, again, this area is going to be seller area, but this consolidation gives us another possibly buying opportunity. Is this just a right shoulder here, reverse head and shoulder? I was looking for this area, getting along with this area to buy, but seems like market doesn't help us for now. I'm just staying on the side waiting for my level. Amazon uptick today, nicely stay above 96, but again it is below 100 level, so we'll see how it goes. Meta, another parabolic move to the upside. Meta just closed this area, didn't get back to here, but after market, look at that, 204. Meta just rocketing to the upside after market. So I don't know what's going to happen. It's getting back to this area. Sellers are going to be there, but after market, it was a huge move. So you will see Meta positive tomorrow. You shouldn't be surprised at all. Microsoft, nice positive days. Upsurge, filling up this gap. The next level is going to be here. So we'll see how it goes. But Microsoft had a nice move. So that's why technology and Nasdaq was positive today. Again, if it goes back here, well, market is saying yes, but seems like technology is just has a different way and looking for another upside to here. There are lots of gaps there. Sellers are there. Possibly we'll see a Microsoft 277, 285. You shouldn't be surprised at all. But after that, you will see a rollover. Again, market is in a choppy, kangaroo market. So you shouldn't be surprised. High and crazy sell-off after that. So it's one of those seasons. Google had an uptick today, nicely going up. So I think Google is giving us a buy signal. I'm looking for, to be honest, more downside for Google to here, but seems like it doesn't give us a downside. If it goes down, that would be definitely buying opportunity here. But seems like Google is forming QM pattern with a leapfrog, 3 higher low in a row. So we will take it for now, and we will give Google benefit of doubt. But this high is very, very substantial, coming along with this gigantic bear flag consolidation, supply, whatever you want to call it, and just pierced and coming back down. So if you see Google is getting back up here to this gap and then coming down, you shouldn't be surprised. So somewhere around 100 level. Again, this is going to be a choppy. This is not going to be a breakout for now. Market will have lots of time to digest the move. Netflix uptick along with the other Nasdaq stocks. So I'm just giving a benefit of doubt. Netflix is getting back to 304, 306, and then you can see another downside move to here. Tesla had a downtick today. So when you see Tesla is weak, market is up. So you should just be careful about this. Just because this stock is in hype. So Tesla didn't get along with the market so far. I'm just staying on the side, see another deep down there, and that's going to be a good call option, not for today. SMH, a downtick today, however, candle was okay, like 1.12% down, $2.75 down. But SMH, all in all, it's just forming a bull flag rather than going down. If we take out this pivotal point, that's going to go down. But right now, it's just forming a bull flag, and we will see how it goes. Just because inside SMH sucks the same pattern here. It's kind of like a forming a bullish momentum right now, but we need to clean above this. We have this in some sectors. Actually, in semiconductor world, we're seeing a divergence. Right now, TSM just forming a bear flag and went down, coming back up because of this area. This is the gap, but this can go down still here. AMD had a parabolic move to the upside. Look at that. So stretching up this bull flag, valid, going up to this candle here, to this gap area, and we'll see how it goes. But you see TSM is down, AMD is up. So it's kind of like a divergence in these names. Nvidia had a nice move to the upside. Again, Nvidia can go up to here, then coming down. This one is AI word, and everyone just saying that. I just had like a post comparing Nvidia with Google, and you saw that Nvidia had like a negative growth, Google had a positive growth, but everyone just piling money into Nvidia. I don't know why. Texas Instrument downtick today. It's just a doji bar, so nothing more for Texas Instrument. I shouldn't say. Well, to be honest, it doesn't give me any information right now. Lam Research, the same bear flag. So it's kind of like a forming apex pattern, which is kind of like an aggressive one. So if it breaks down, that's going to go all the way down to here. So if it goes up, possibly it's going to go up again to the top. So we will see how it goes. We are just staying on the side and just monitoring these stocks. I'm just looking for the downside to buy, guys. So I'm not looking for a crash or something special to this year, just because everyone is saying recession is coming, including myself. But again, this year could be a positive. 2024 could be a very, very ugly year. Okay, I think I covered everything. If you like this video, please smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and have a good one. See you on the chart. Bye bye.